Okay, here we are. Latina Christiana 2, Lesson 7, and we're looking at Part B, where we go from English to Latin. A little more complicated. I really want you to slowly follow through on this, so this would probably be something you could be checking on Friday. The student carries a small tablet. Let's look at our subject, student, and we're going to say, how do we say student? Discipulus or discipula. It doesn't tell us that the student is a female, so we'll just go with discipulus. Discipulus. Although if you had discipula, there would be nothing wrong with that. The student is doing what? The student is carrying. All right? So carry, porto, portare. We're going to go down to the end. Porto, portas, portat, portamus, portatis, portant. Ooh, look at this. There's our verb endings. So the student is a he, she, or it. That's going to end in a T. Portat. Did you get that? I hope so. And small tablet, there's an adjective with a noun, and that is in our direct object, our DO. So small. If you remember back, parvus, parva, parvum, small. Well, we don't know which one, whether it's a parvus, a parva, parvum, because we first need to know what tablet is. All right? So tabella is tablet. And if you didn't remember that from last year, you'd have to search through the dictionary. But tabella is tablet. And it is feminine, so our accusative is am for singular os, so this is a tabellam. And small, parvus, parva, parvum, tabellum, parvam. So there it is, discipulus, tabellum, parvum, portat. Let's try the next one. Well, there's our sentence. The students carry large tablets. Oh, it's almost exactly the same. The only thing that's different is instead of one student, we have more than one student. And instead of one tablet, we have more than one tablet. And instead of small, they're going to be large. Wow, we'll work that out. So if discipulus is one student, discipuli is more than one student. Discipuli, the students. All the way down, portat is he, she, or it carries, and we need they carry, so it is port. If that sounds funny, I had another child jump into my office. So it's porta, and for more than one tablet, we're going, oh, sorry. Matthew opened my door, so now I have a portat, more than one student. Okay, so portat is one student, and more than one student is portant. All right, back on track, Christine. Discipuli portant. What are they portanting? They are portanting large tablets. So it was tabellum. That is one tablet. But looking down here, it's going to be in the plural. It's going to be tabellas. Ooh, tabellas. And it's not going to be tabellas parvas because they're not small tablets. They're large. When we make something large, we magnify it. Magnus. Tabellas magnus. There it is, agreeing. Now let's get ready to do the third sentence. Okay, here we are. The kitchen has a table and chair. All right, do you remember the word for kitchen? Kitchen is kulina. And all the way down here, we're going to do has. Habeo, habes, habet. Kitchen is an it. It has. Habet. Habet, a table and a chair. So there's two DOs and a conjunction there. So habet table, mensa, but it has to be an accusative. Here it is, mensam. And it, do you remember what chair is? Sela. Let's put that out there. And sela, an accusative, salam. Kulina mensam et selam habet. All right. Okay. We've got the poet loves the harp and the farmer sees the shop. The last two in this section. And then your derivatives are going to be sentences that you write on your own. I'm not going to correct your derivatives in here. We'll correct them at home. And since we're ready to do this, the poet loves the harp, I am going to give you your code word. So your code word, I'm not writing it here. You better be listening. Your code word is a phrase, and it is Tuesday night, because that is the night that I stayed up and made you 3 videos this week. So if you remember Tuesday night and you write it on your Quizlet, you will get the bonus. All right, the poet, poeta. The poet, and all the way at the end, the poet loves. Amo amas amat. Amat, he loves. And he loves the harp. Harp is kithara, but in accusative, it's kitharam. That was pretty easy. I wonder if you got that one 100% right. I bet you did. Looks like I might have spelled kitharam incorrectly. Nope, I spelled it right. They spelled it wrong in my teacher's guide. That's funny. All right, the farmer sees the shop. And what is a farmer? A farmer is an agricola. And sees, wideo, wides, widet. Widet. The shop, which is taberna, but in accusative for direct object. Tabernam. There you go. Remember, I gave you the code word. Don't forget it. And watch those videos slowly, correct them slowly, do a real good job this week on your hard work, and your quiz will be easy. All right. Bye.